Hello everyone. Today on the bench we have this like brand new external condition MZ RH1. This is I think the last mini disc recorder player that was released by the Sony. With this one I'm getting some kind of strange sounds. I think that this can be due to the grease is dried up, so let's disassemble it. Yeah, it looks very new actually. Okay, what about this thing? Yeah, so it runs on those two clips. Okay, and this one we can just unplug, and that's it. Further steps. Okay, to remove the board we will have to remove those screws. That's good that they all are the same. Now let's see, do we have something under this? I don't think so. Okay, so right now then let's remove those flex wires. Yeah, we maybe have to unsolder this. Okay, from what I can see, there is some kind of, yeah, over here, and it should go out just like that. So where is that sound coming from? Most likely from this motor. Yeah. Let's use some oil right over here. And then what we can do more from this standoff point, we can clean this rail. Let's use some Q-tip and isopropyl to clean rail. Tiny bit of oil. And we can use tiny bit of oil on the rail. And I think it should be fine. So let's put everything back together. and we will see if that strange sound will went away, because it was like screaming a bit, you know. I think that was that sled motor laser movement sounding like that, but we will see. Okay, let's remove that. Then this one you have just to push it in. Okay, this is not super easy task, but it is doable, just like that. And then there are some clips, so you want those clips to go in, and then it just goes like that. Okay, let's close it, and we can put back that screw. Just like that. And I think in that last, let's just put back this. So to put this back, you have to do it from this side. Yeah. Okay, so just like this. All of those connections are in, then just slide it down, and that's it. Then we have some screws to put back. Damn, I hope that, yeah, a hold switch was not moved, so we do not have to remove it again. And the last screw is under that battery door. Okay, so let's see. First of all, let's check if we still have the sound. Headphones. Play. Second track. Perfect. Da, 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 da. Okay, and what about those crazy sounds? I will just check it with my computer soon, and I will put if they are still here. And surprise, surprise, no problem. I have burned in some music into it, and there is no crazy sounds at all. So that's it. Device is working perfectly fine. So I hope you liked the video. Please consider supporting my channel. As always, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Magic.